Control programs are developed by technologists and programmers who write G-code. Developed, debugged, and tested control programs are then transferred to the shop floor for operators to use on machines. In real production, there can be hundreds or thousands of versions of control programs. How do they reach the operator on the shop floor? Where and how should the array of programs and their versions be stored? There's a classic method. The setup technician receives control programs on flash drives or other storage devices. Then, they load them into the controller's memory. After this, the operator begins production, processing according to the control program. With this transfer method, human error can occur. The operator might load the wrong file, fail to update subprograms, or, at the necessary time, the file simply isn't transferred on the storage device, leaving them unable to continue their work. How long would it take to update several CNC programs on one machine? On 20? Taking a flash drive, copying CNC program files. Don't forget about subprograms, not getting confused and updating everything. From half an hour to 2 or more hours of an employee's working time. And all this time, the machine will be idle. We offer an alternative where CNC programs are organized in a digital archive within the DPA system. CNC programs can be loaded centrally from the DPA system server, directly onto connected machines right into the controller's file system. This is done with a simple action. Select machines or an entire shop. Choose required versions of control programs and related subprograms. And with one click, files are transferred to the selected machines. Connect DPA, systematize the storage of control programs, and reduce machine downtime.